Oh yes, so now maybe this so boss. I don't come back again. Now me they do teaser for this commentary. Sorry, now me they do commentary for this teaser. Now this is the man called Ganja. He they do this. Oh, sir, don't they watch it you have now? Oh, don't sir, you don't make it for that. It's not when you wear glove and one punch me bella. You know the apple like that. Don't go spread it with the person you make you your liver. Just do your own command. This part I hear the pity Bella for the back. And Bella and the healer pass. Bella, that guy jumping there on white singlet and black cap. I doing Shama. Oh, my friend 50. My friend 70. Shawareni. Just watch it see what happen now. So, now you just punch the guy like the guy on your floor for ground. Just watch it. Oh. That guy. I don't tell for God. And you even know the body. Bam, knock out. And you even know the body. He not send down whether he punch person or anything for because that's not the least of the problem. Right now, he needs to take burning bush. Now, so you know see that this kind of bush, Nemo is still going to make bush. Imagine this kind of tall man is smoking this short bro. You know that the boy is very short and see the tall person when they smoke and not too good now. And you know this kind of book, he needs to start from ground. You know, if not, he gotta start from he toe. Now he need this so they watch you. He's sipping the smoke now like this side they waste. And he waste. Yeah, let the watch you. He don't come up. Yeah, he don't show so far. He's pumping. The goddamn momentum is pumping. See, and everything will go wrong here now. You watch for the film. So anybody will offend this guy, you don't finish. Now for your knife is that. For your knife is that. Just watch. Yeah. You got the zipper. See, yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, wait, it's coming.
See vein, every other blood on the floor.
That's not better for your sofa cause. This film go so. Yeah, it don't go. See the chest for a man of this size carrying this kind of power. See. Let's go. Kick your melee. But those are my window kick your melee. But for this film, she does stupid. Kick your melee, you stupid kid. You know that these are the tall men in the movie. Scooter Baba. If you see this scooter, you know the watch the parts where they talk like that.
Ganja. That guy they call Ganja.
Nah, cousin. This guy is top parts for the film. This is scooter. This will go tough. This is not be doing that. You know this guy stupid. No, Mr. Ekru. This is F-boy. This is Messi. I don't know this guy. I don't know him. This is Red Sea. See, this is not be too good. I know if you offend this kind of guy for your life. But this guy chest, I won't try it because it will mess you up. It will turn you to something that is business. You know that this is Red Sea.
Yes, the CRT.
No, not me. But the guy familiar, shall not be me.
This CRT, if you think I jump me, it's
not be me. I don't know that guy.
See that new of life.
He didn't get party. Talking about these two men, they are not wet. Just look at themselves, you know. That's the penis. That guy is called Brutus Bateau. This is the Clara O'Malley that we're talking about. Aloysius Baba Jagaban. Let me watch you. This squad. See them. This is Sue. This is the rugged dog in the movie. This dog chase. Just F-web. I don't know this guy. I don't know the guy for that place at all. I don't know that guy. See F-web, yeah. You know he's looking for things very long. Yeah. The mess dog guy. Let me watch it. For film again, that guy mess something like this now where things they happen for the movie. But you know good movie just tell now everything will happen. Only Jagaban and I will kick first and level hand. What is happening there? Oh, Jagaban! Movie!
Hey! I go tell you now what to go happen now! Man, now
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guy, they no come out.
I don't feel.
4.
Okay. Una welcome back. See, okay, before we start to talk too much talk on top the whole level like this, because I see a late night show like this on top of Wazobia TV. We get the Ogbonge bros where they behind this whole thing. This particular movie, we'll talk more about stupid movie, and the producer, director, and cinematographer, Oga they behind this whole level. Oga Stanley Ohikware. Welcome. Thanks. Hey, this movie, I never watched the full movie, but this trailer I watched, they bust all my skull, all my kidney, my liver, everything don't disarrange. Oga Stanley, first of all, wait, because you're not producer, you're not director and cinematographer. Meaning say you sabi every on top of the camera P and everything. But my will be say, what to make you reason? Say now these people that you want to work with for this particular one where you go join hustle for so.
Well, I got one thing we'll shoot before. We call them Humphrey Day.
Okay.
That one they nominate them for MVCA this
Okay.
year, you know. With Kelechi Udegbe, Gregory Jeffua, and Daniel O'David. That's the Obus.
Okay.
So me just look and say, man, the way people take like me, I they like shoot horror movie and thriller and all those things. So
Okay.
you got people where they like them,
Uh-huh.
but you got people who tell say, man, this guy do like blood. If he shoots female blood
Blood
never
go full
dey. Person
everywhere.
must die. Person test time must they come out.
Shoot, come.
So I just reason I'm saying, man, okay, make we shoot comedy.
Okay.
So I just shoot that small scale one, short comedy about that Humphrey Day. So the question I like say, in case person want come out for gate, make person block am, you know, go press on.
Yeah.
So as I just reason the thing, I just realize, say, man, a good concept this, okay, maybe we shoot them. So I call those guys, we shoot them. The reaction was good. So I just realized, say, okay, let me say, if we shoot feature film now, comedy, full length and everything, but then I go stick to the same guys, we do that Humphrey Day. And at the
Okay.
same name where they get for that one, then they
Okay.
still get here. So
Okay.
that's Obus, Aloysius, F-Boy.
I see
But then we can add some other people, add 2 other people. We get one of my guy where they call Femi Akeredolu. We be
Okay.
there Unibet together that year,
Okay,
you know, understand?
okay.
So, but the guy head not too correct too.
No,
So
because
you look and say, man,
the
I need
focus-
people where their head not
Not
correct.
correct.
Yeah.
Now people not do okay. Now
Yeah,
people
yeah,
do
no,
this kind
correct. In fact, even for the crew self,
Yes.
for the crew after day 2, those people with their heads still normal, we tell them make them go out.
Then they go out. No,
yeah.
because you not feel normal, maybe this kind of
Maybe
thing.
this
No.
Both behind camera and for the front of the camera.
After you get time, as they shoot, they go which one stage, we all laugh. So the one be say the movie long past the time we'll take shoots, past what we plan. Because
Okay.
sometimes we'll just shoot, they go.
They go.
And Nami go begin laugh. Because they don't do one stupid thing, you go feel say if you hold laugh, next you begin to laugh,
Yeah.
you understand? So generally, the idea na just say, no, we'll do something where we say, not be too much talk, now you go make it nice. Now
Yes.
the action,
Yes.
the acting, the people behavior, their character and all that. Then to come spice them up, I come feel say, man, if I don't bad to get dwarf for this film,
Okay.
you know, so like the tall guys are they be the stupid guys.
Mm.
But I want maybe say the bad guys,
The
not
ba-
dwarfs.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So to just add that kind. So the one that come
Right.
be say, man, we want to get the dwarf. From.
Uh-huh.
So I come reason now say if I drive past Osborne, they see they sell
They-
CD.
for road for there exactly.
Then at Debola House, name my office for Ikeja, they sell CD there. I want begin find dwarf for it. Take us 2 weeks.
2
The same
weeks?
place where they do every day. We can't they find there, we not see dwarf.
They call scars.
Just
devil.
I see there's cars pass petrol that time. So me, I can't do small research. Can't see one article where one guy where they work for Punch write about dwarf. I
Okay.
can't call the guy, Google the guy for check him for Facebook. The guy can't respond. So now he can't give me Christiana number. Now so
Okay. From
the
there.
rest are history.
Bam.
And the day when they just show boy like this,
Worry.
the whole character is complete.
They worry.
As in, no, honestly.
They worry.
You see, I don't know how I want to talk and I be like, it will be like it's not jazz, but all the characters, the way I write them for the film,
Yes.
when everybody show, as I dey identify them, all my guys will still say exactly what they think, that this person be this, and this person be this, and all of them just pure from day one. So there wasn't any elaborate casting or audition. As they just show, everybody just complete at once.
Wow. So that means this thing was meant to happen.
It was meant to happen.
In fact, that kind of way say they don't write time for book somewhere.
Somewhere.
Yeah, the way may happen.
Take your time.
Based on scripted things.
Like that, join that.
But for the whole level like this, because this one now, but forget. I respect for me, I be comedy person. And not be just to say comedy, say one person because they form funny.
Yeah.
You understand? If you watch most of our Nigerian movies, if this particular person or this one not day,
You know go sweet. You know go sweet. You know
so
understand.
the comedy they revolve around some particular people. If Victor Swago never shook head, put it not go. If this one never
This one,
enter,
like,
it not
everybody
go.
head
You understand?
not
But this one now,
Everybody had not correct.
the last guy when they call number,
Who be that guy?
he say 1, 2. He dey point the
That guy named
first
as Scooter.
Scooter.
Is it
Yeah.
a 4?
He say 4.
The other guy say, "Bless the Lord, they fear." Now both right.
No, also attention to details. You know where that guy
Actually,
take.
you see that part?
Yes.
That part not the script. You know, the thing is, say, when I write the story, I just get story. I get the story. I can't get dialogue aside. I
Okay.
always like keep dialogue. Always one they
Okay.
like plenty talk of film.
Okay.
Make the action do the work and the cinematography.
Okay.
So as I just write only the story, if I can't call the actors, Kelechi Udegbe, Daniel O. David, and Gregory Jeffwa, I say, okay, see the story. Maybe they read down together.
Okay.
As they read down, they go, anything where if you say go good for this scene, maybe we add and put.
join.
Actually, we do that thing for like one whole day. We can't still do rehearsal again. So everybody put their own input.
Inside.
But that's 1, 2. When they shoot them, the guy is supposed to say 1, he can't do 2. I could say, hey, stop. Do that thing again. When you say 1, should be 4 fingers. So that one, like something will just happen when we they shoot. Not be saying we
During
plan
the
it.
shoot. Okay,
But the thing, as the thing just happened like that for my mind, I say, man, I get like that one.
He don't
So
jail.
we can't shoot that like 5 times.
Wow.
Because Ingo can't go 1, 2 by mistake. I
By
say, no,
mistake.
not do the correct
Okay,
thing.
okay.
You get it wrong.
Yes.
1, 2. So we shoot like 6 times before we get it right. You know?
No, I really appreciate this because for a long time now, I don't find person who go fit do this kind of comedy for this country.
Yeah.
You get. So that guy mess.
The dog died.
Where the dog just died. How did I achieve where the dog died that way?
That dog, we shoot that dog scene for like 6 hours, abi?
Wow.
Because the dog, first of all, they chain the dog. The guys they run from police. They can't stop from first gate where the dog did. The other 2 run past. Now the fat one can't dey there. So the dog can't dey do. As they see the dog where they run, that dog run follow and cut chain.
Yes.
So the dog know exactly those things exactly like
As
that.
he
So
take,
that the edit just try
Nigerian dog, they too stubborn. They don't train them well.
That dog, they run follow the owner. Hey, Sus, come here. Go run, go here. So the part where they pursue the guys, we get to make sure say the owner they run too.
Okay.
But the owner they run out of the shot. We shoot them like
Okay.
16 times
Kai.
before the dog come. As we get that one shot, I say thank God. But the part where the dog die when that guy mess, we were physically manipulating the dog.
Serious.
Yeah, you get things where they happen. We were animating
So that
the
things
dog.
where more don't live and there. The dog sharp, fatty.
you can't sleep there.
Last, on top of the whole level. But seriously. But Moko, come out for this one small. You as a producer now, you as director and cinematographer, where the whole thing starts for you? Say, you just dabble into, because judging from this one, I feel never see too many of your works, but I would thought say with this one alone, it showed me something. Say people like Kuna, they very, very deep into this whole thing. Not be just say, we just shoot for shooting sake, or make I all go produce something.
Yeah.
Attention to details. And I just decide to say you want to do comedy like this, you still kill and finish. Where this whole thing starts, producing and directing and stuff.
Now fine art I study for school.
Fine art.
Yeah, fine
Not be
art,
even
you know.
theater art.
No, fine art.
Okay.
But I'll still do elective for theater art.
Uh-huh.
You know, but the bottom line is, say, when I come out of school, come work small for agency, and I can't start my own. I was doing advertising.
Okay.
You know, I taught myself how to do 3D animation. So I was doing animations for agencies and all that.
Okay. So now you teach yourself by yourself.
Everything what I do, now I teach myself.
Wow. Wow.
Not just the
Wow.
interest now, you know, understand.
Once interest don't do.
Man, you can do everything.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You
Exactly.
know, but what I will talk, be say that background of being an artist, I think not just the edge where I get with that.
Okay.
Because somehow all those principles and all those things about, because to make a nice painting, you know what you get to do, all the layers of thoughts and all the layers of colors. So now the same thing you see for the lighting and cinematography for the movies and all that.
Okay.
Then the details too, the same thing. So from there I begin shoot commercials. Then from there you realize, hey, man, yeah, I shoot commercial. Nobody even know they shoot. You know they write your name, you know they put signature.
Exactly.
Sometimes it's not people put up your show video, tell you not people put on. So I say,
Yes,
I want
yes.
to do waiting I go do, then I fit put my name on top.
On top.
Then again, commercials, most times, the client or the agency go restrict to say, don't do like this, not do like this.
like
But
that.
I don't just want wait till anybody go inhibit my creativity. So for film, for instance, what do you think? Now you go
Yes,
do.
now you
Nobody
go
tells
do.
you not done.
Yes, like no restriction.
No restriction at all, you understand? So it's really hard to cage an artist.
Okay.
So now the history with that.
Okay, okay. But as it be like this now, get another clip from one other parole where Bro Stanley nicely arrange the level, okay? So we'll watch this one, and after this one, we'll carry 2 cast members from the whole parole enter enter the show. More even hear from their own side as the little men where they beat to, when they give us their own gist. Okay, so no go anywhere. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.